Lesson number 1. Explanation. 1. Quadrilaterals. 2. Triangles. 3. Circles. Edges and corners. Look at this piece of barfi. It is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Observe the surface of the table. 1. How many edges does the surface have? 4. 2. How many corners does the surface have? 4. 3. What is the shape of the surface of the table? Square. Rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite too. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Square. Take a look at a handkerchief. It is a square. How many edges and corners does a square have? A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Fold the handkerchief in the middle from top to bottom as well as from side to side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. Now, we shall fold the handkerchief as shown alongside to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. The corners match and so do the edges that make them up. Now fold the handkerchief over again. All the edges match in length. All the edges of a square are of equal length. Note that we got a triangle when we folded the handkerchief. Triangle. How many edges does a triangle have? How many corners? Triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Complete the table below. How to make a 5-piece tangram. Take a square piece of paper. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. Also mark the centers of all the 4 edges. Draw lines to join the centers of the sides and the center of the square as shown in the picture. Now make 5 pieces of the square by cutting along the lines as shown in the picture. Using the tangram here, answer the following questions. 1. How many triangles are there in your tangram? 3 triangles. 2. Are all the triangles alike? No. 3. Can we join 2 of the triangles to make a square? Yes. 4. Can we join 2 of the triangles to make a big triangle? Yes. 5. How many squares are there in this tangram? How many quadrilaterals? 1 square and 1 quadrilateral.